Hi, I'm Tim, and this is Moby.
Mm.
Hey, look, Moby, we got a letter. Dear Tim and Moby, what is erosion, weathering, and deposition? Signed, Jen. Well, Jen, weathering is when rocks and minerals are broken down into smaller pieces. Extreme heat and cold weather, water and ice can cause all types of weathering, whether chemical or mechanical. When water seeps into cracks on a rock, it freezes and it makes the cracks bigger, causing the rock to push out or break. Erosion is when the transportation of weathered or broken down materials, wind and water can erode, and so can move. Stop it. Wind and movements can
Me, movie show. Me.
we promote better slide to the right.
Movie show.
Anyway, back on topic. Erosion is when water is broken down and it carries rocks and particles that have been broken down by weathering. Slumps are when large amounts of rock or when rocks and dirt or other sediment fall. Deposition is when sediment is broken down into smaller substance and is deposited in different areas, sometimes by streams, rivers, or lakes. This can also happen in a delta, which creates a delta This can happen in a river when the water slows down and creates a bank or a delta. One example of weathering is when it rains and the water comes down and it wears at the surface of rocks. Or, for example, the Grand Canyon, it was formed by weathering and erosion. Weathering from the rain, when it rained, it moved the rock away and eroded at it and ate at it, weathering it away. And then erosion just picked it up and carried it down and created all the crevices and stuff. And then deposition would be when after it's been weathered and eroded, it's carried down by the water that's been running down, making rivers, and it carries it and puts it in different places at the river bank, like the river mouth. Erosion. Examples of erosion would be erosion. An example of erosion would be when water